Hi from sunny Arkansas. Lisa Sims with Chicks Can Build It. I say sunny Arkansas because we only have about 4 days a year of sunny Arkansas, so outside enjoying it today. It's a really, really good day to talk about basic for all of the projects we're going to do, which is how to figure out how to get reclaimed wood. I actually like to pull them off pallets. One, you can probably get a lot of pallets for free. Almost everybody I know has got just a bunch of pallets laying around the yard. So we actually went and grabbed a few from some friends. So free lumber, big bonus. I like the pallets because they have a lot of really cool just characteristics to them. The old nail heads are in. You can see on this one it's even got kind of a bent nail. So it's really neat for a lot of the projects that we're going to do. And again, it's not just plain old lumber that you get from the lumber store. A lot of really unique characteristics to this wood. So, and I've gone through the gamut of the right and the wrong way to pull pallets apart. After a little bit of trial and error, I think I finally got it down to the right way. So I'm going to share that with you guys today. All right. I'm going to put this under here. And pry that up. Try not to break the nails off. To break the wood. Hang on. Alright. What if I do it? Yeah, it's starting to crack. I don't want it to crack. Okay, it's coming up some. Okay, that's not it. Shit. So you need gloves. You need safety glasses. These are my favorite for right now. Not really cute, but don't care. You need a reciprocal saw or a sawzall. Depends upon where you're from, what you call it. The ones that you need are basically the ones that say that they cut metal. You can kind of see right here. And something that's kind of handy, if you look at the description, you can see that it actually shows that it will cut metal on the description of the sawzall blade as well. This one's a 9-inch. You really kind of need at least a 9-inch to pull these pallets apart. You need a handy dandy pry bar. You need a hammer. And you're going to need some clamps. I like this one a lot because it slides up and down. It's easy to use. You can tighten it without a whole lot of muss or fuss. And finally, you need a grinder. Just after you get the nails cut off, there's going to be some that are poking up. You can kind of see I had some here that I had to go back and sand, so you can see how they're kind of poking up right there. So it's pretty close to flush now. And then you will also need a RockStar. Alright, so all that said, once you get all your tools put together, get your pallet up here. I've actually used basically I've used some sawhorses from Harbor Freight. They're like $9 a piece, and just set up a little piece of wood. Anything you've got laying around work. Okay, I've got everything all set up. So got my pallet up on my board. You can see that I've got it clamped down here, and then over here too. There, now you can see over here. So it's clamped down as best I can. Need it to clamp down because you're going to be pounding on this thing a little bit, so you want to make sure it's as steady as it can be. So very first thing you want to do is at least try and get these boards loose. So before you start trying to cut through with the saw, you have to get these loose enough so that you can actually get the blade up underneath. So use your little crowbar, use your hammer. And I want you to see, so it's just barely up underneath there. Don't get it in there too far or else you'll split the wood out. So get it up in there enough just to kind of pry it up. Okay. So you can see now, hopefully, that there's just a little bit of a split right here. That's plenty to get the saw up underneath. You don't have to go crazy. Just get it enough to where you can do that. So I'm going to do that all the way across and then on the other side. So I'm going to put you on hold. Some of these are going to be harder than others. Don't get frustrated. Just keep rolling. Have to kill spiders as they're rolling around, by the way. Sorry. Hate spiders. My saw. And be sure, hold it as close as you can to the front, to the base of the saw. So the further out here you get, the less control you have, so try and stay up close. I find this is about the right depth, about an inch, inch and a half in. That's what she said. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay, here we go. Saw time. Little button on the side for safety. Like butter. That was like butter. Okay, that happens. I thought I had that up good enough, but obviously I don't, so I'm going to pull that one up just a little bit more. If it takes more than a couple of seconds to get through with your saw, go ahead and lift it up. Try that again. Okay, something is muck. Okay, there we go. Blade's dull. Yay. Okay, time to change this dude out. So to change it out, lift this up, pull that out. Again, reverse, lift this up, put that in. Should go all the way down in. Make sure you have it pulled up all the way. Okay, and then just make sure that it's in good. Just pull it, tug on it. Okay, now let's try that again. Okay, I had to take a moment for a boy consultation. So you guys saw what the blade was doing. It was vibrating all over the place. Evidently, you can see right there, it was making contact with the guard. This blade's really thick. So the solution is turn the blade upside down. Makes it a little more difficult to cut, but this is really the blade that you need, so I'm just going to deal with it. So anyway, back to it. Okay, they're all free. So, you know, it's a little bit of a but it's still kind of fun. Tools are fun. Alright, so now I got to flip it over, and then we're going to do the other side, and then I'll show you how to get the middle ones out.